Hi there, today I thought we'd do another quick tutorial on how to care for your wigs and how to make them look more realistic. This is a kind of inexpensive wig that is very shiny, and a lot of them are that way out of the box. Synthetic wigs are just shiny, that's how they are, and a quick way to remedy that is with a dry shampoo. So we're going to try two brands today, and I've tried both of these before. This is my favorite, but this one works just as well. It just doesn't smell as pretty as the Got2b dry shampoo does. So straight out of the box, you're just going to give your wig a quick comb. And I know this one looks crazy shiny, and that's because I have a light shining directly on me to really amp up the shininess for the video. We're going to shake our can. Give it another brush through. There's not a lot left in this one, but it does smell perfumed and like flowers. And there's a lot more in this one. So let's try this one. I can see a small difference, but I'm going to need more. This one is unscented, but it has a weird kind of hairspray odor to it, like chemical-y. That's not my favorite. Now, I have another video on a way to do this without dry shampoo, and you can use baby powder or face powder. And I think the face powder or baby powder stuff works better. This is not coming out with as much powder as I'm needing for my wig. But in theory, this works, and you just brush the wig aside a little. To get it onto all the strands. See, it's like this. It's a powder just suspended in some quickly evaporating alcohol, most likely. All right, maybe it's building up enough powder now to be a little less shiny. All right. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.